Hey, I'm Tom Trimmer with Custom Marine Products. I'm showing you walkable solar panels for your deck, your roof or your roof rack on your Sprinter or your Cybertruck or whatever. So we have two major kinds of panels, or two different kinds. This is a carbon fiber backed panel, and these have the all our panels have the highest end shade tolerant solar cells. The solar cells are shade tolerant, and then we divide the panel into 2 sections or 4 sections, so that section operates independently of this section. So if you park under a tree or something and that's shaded, this other half will still produce power. And then this is the fiberglass panel. It's going to be a little cheaper, and a little more flexible. Still fully walkable. Still same high-end solar cells, maximum power per square inch, which is important on a van ride. You're space constrained. So as long as we're here, I'll show you the mounting system. So all our panels, or any part number that has a P on the end, which we're moving to all of our panels, will come with a polycarbonate now. So this keeps it off your roof, keeps it a little cooler. Solar panels the cooler they are. 70 degrees is the ideal temperature. So this keeps, and if you're in the desert or in the summertime, this keeps your panel a little bit cooler. And driving down the highway, so that's to keep it cool. Driving down the highway, if people just do a bolt in the corners, the panels rip off, right? So we recommend or require that you use these J channels, so what you would tape down with VHB tape, and then you can screw them down as well on each side, and keeps your panel from flying. It supports it all along and keeps your panel from flying off your van or your truck going down the road. So there you have it. If you want one, go to custommarineproducts.store, buy them online, or call us, chat, email, however you want to get in touch with us, you can.